Hello guys, hello. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depends on the time when you want to see this video and the country where they watch us for. So hello, my beautiful people. May the good Lord bless you all in Jesus' name. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, the Omorege Family channel. Guys, guess what? I love you all. I love you all. Too much love I got for you people. So guys, me I show now wetin I carry come because you know wetin I dey cook. I dey cook egusi soup, correct black boy soup. No we dey call maka soup those days. Now I dey cook for kitchen. I will show now video everything. I will show now. Una no worry. Then before as I dey cook, I say make I just use this one step down first. I dey eat gala. See am. I wan eat gala and one Fanta. Let me take this one step down before I go enter kitchen dey cook the show na the food. Then I wan cook gala. Na another Africa gala. Na say na my sister bring am come for home. Na in hand I dey buy am because I dey sell am for here too. You understand me? Yeah. Nigeria gala. So now I say make I chop this one. Make I still blow small tori. Carry small tori come before I enter my kitchen. And now understand. I know how to take the do. God go bless all of una. Guys, now they miss me. I dey miss una too. I dey miss una. Today I not go work. I need to cook down. You know, so at least once a while you go cook down for the house, especially stew, rice, all these things. You cook and down. So if you come on go work now, the children they no go talk. Anyway, the children said that they work except my last baby. So we dey share duty for this house. And we see they share duty for our customers too. They tell them the time we dey, they tell them the time we will not still dey. So they understand. You know what make me like my customers? What make me like my people here? In fact, I know they call the customers again. They are all my families. You know what make me like them? We understand each other. We understand each other. I really thank God for my life. I thank God for the way God take care of me and my kids. I thank God for the way God take care of everybody around me. You understand me? Since this coronavirus, now we never hear any bad news for our life. We never hear any bad news for any corner. Say may the good Lord continue to be praised in the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you all, guys. Thank you all. When I come, they eat my gala with me and so they talk. When you say gala of nowadays, you know, be like gala of those days when we small, when we dey buy for they go school. Those days gala dey sweet, dey draw. If you dey shop the meat inside, you know say yes na gala now you dey shop, but gala now e make waga. E be like some meat pie when you go see sef, you no go sweet. Na so gala be na see am. Anyway, it's sweet, but e no be like joints of those days. E good na. No say I dey talk truth. I'll take my Fanta here, take dey step am down. So guys, what I can record today now? Enjoyment. Enjoyment. And they come on. Some people say enjoyment. So I can't ask what will be the meaning of enjoyment, because the way me I tell know the meaning of enjoyment, maybe it's still different. I beg if you still know. Now feel leave am for the comment section for me, or as now they look this video now they drop and put for make I know what is the meaning of enjoyment. You understanding? So enjoyment to my own understanding, because some people just think say enjoyment, if they just say hey, why enjoy? This one way they follow now, they take good care of you. Now they enjoy well when they do the thing well. Now I carry my own come and say, what will be enjoyment? Now to do the thing as husband and wife, or as boyfriend and girlfriend, or as casual friend. Now that one be enjoyment. You understand me? Guys, if you don't know what will be the meaning of enjoyment, I bet Mona explain that to me for comment section. Mona let me know the meaning of enjoyment, so that next time I don't know what they call enjoyment. You understand me? Okay, when I see person, everywhere we go, I can see person say, whoever I enjoy, whoever I want to now. They not enter person body, make them know whether they enjoy, you know they enjoy. You know say this body, they make leku. You know see my body, or you leku. Or no me worry. Yes. Enjoyment with me, I know say if you get husband, you get children, you get wife, people around you, you get rest of mind. When you get rest of mind, then you know they stress yourself too much for all those big milliardy. You won't get billions of naira, billions of euro, billions of dollars, billions of pounds. This small one you get, you go dey eat better food for your body, take care of your children. People wey dey call themselves single mothers, I no believe say una be single mothers. As far as say children dey with una, single fathers, I no believe say una be single. As far as say children dey with una, carry your children go out, enjoy yourself, go market, make shopping for the kills. Wetin be enjoyment for me? Oh, e no mean say you must say every day na you take dey buy something, you take dey make shopping. No, once a while. You understand me? Rest of mind na be enjoyment. No dey think too much. Say, my friend don buy a limousine car. No be a limousine they call am. I still make una last more. More than obvious, all this one are powders. I buy for raw powder for my neck or my body. I just raw powder for my body. Wetin be enjoyment? You go see your friend buy a limousine car. You go dey cry. See, if I no buy this a limousine car, I go die. Oh, sister, you dey kill yourself. Oh, brother, you dey kill yourself. You go see your friend say, hey, you just born now. Hey, I never born. Now wetin I go do? Sister, you dey think, you dey kill yourself. You just see your friend just build new house. You just dey talk, hey, I don't build new house. You go come put her for social media. Then you self go see am. Your mind don't fly. Yeah, he with me one no say me boy. O mind din your gele boy. O mind din your gele nyan. O mind din your gele nyan moto. O mind din your gele nyan pon. Some people they borrow clothes. They do a post. They use and do picture though. Use and carry picture come show na for year. Especially Facebook. You want to me say many people are there for Facebook na enjoyment. Many they die na soft thinkingness, frustration. They carry many they come. They come they show now flashy car this they go front of car. Some people say you know so Igbo now I don't care life that they live. They know they see big man for Europe. They know they see poor man for Europe. If you just carry that a couple for them, and you they waka they come. You say per favore Italian language. You wanna not verse. Per favore, I beg me, possibly entrer for the photo. You go say, instead go they happy. Say black one come enter a car carry picture. Instead go see carry you, go they happy. Go say, possibly I can you far record. You understand? Instead go beg you, I beg. Me say go first take picture with you. You go say yes. You go take out, but you tell say that you're Igbo. You know, get my point when they talk. Mona not let all that flashy things they kill you now. Mona let the small one I get the way me I dey do my own. The little money or the little things when you get, use that to enjoy your life. No, they look people on. I don't see many things. You understand? I don't see many things. Say, now so this life can't be no. Things no they ask me a day, so nothing they make. Let me people say, your body fine, your body fresh. So yes. Why not fresh? Because one, I know they overthinking. When I they think those days, I will almost die. No day again. Now I just they manage my life the way I see them. And they take my life the way I see them. Me and my kids. I push this table small. And they take my life the way I see them. I know they think all those overthinking, make I can't go kill myself. I go kill myself because I see say you buy flashy car or you use flashy as take picture. I will die. But if you still be saying that your own, even though not be your own, as I say I don't still see am, I go still happy with you, congratulate with you. Because Bible talk and say, rejoice with those that are rejoicing, and mourn with those that are mourning. So as you come across now your own, I go happy with you well. I go praise God for you. I go even pray, may God give you more. And I go pray, may God still do my own for me. When I'm happy with you, may you say, come still join me happy tomorrow. Now, so this life be. See many houses when people build those days. You don't talk to all the houses. And new ones that they rain now. No be zinc when people used last year. No be people still they use the build at this year. Now different models. Now they rain. So brother, sister, not let people flash it in. Give you appetition. Enjoy yourself. The little when you get, use that to enjoy. Not just I chop my gala for a year. This gala they enter my body like no other business. I know they look anybody face. And I stop at home. I want to carry my Fanta. Me, I don't know whether you shop fried rice for your house. I don't know whether you shop chicken lap for your house. I don't know whether you shop a water for your house. For me, my own, when me I shop so, it satisfies me. I don't have pocket nose for another person thing. On my own, it satisfies me. Also, I shop and it satisfies me. I enter house now, cook pasta. The children say they go eat pasta this afternoon. I cook pasta for them, porridge pasta. I cook am for them finish. I saw to come sit down here because I want to cook my correct maka soup, egusi soup. Now I want cook so. I come sit down here say make I first chop gala. May I see carry this story come. Mona tell me what be enjoyment, please. Whether na enjoyment, na man and woman just dey knack gba, gbo, without no rest of mind, or make me you and your friends just dey go party to party, January to December, without no rest of mind, or make you just dey waka, you know dey think of how you want go, how you want rest, how you want to. Some people not get document, they move from A to Z to A again every blessed day. Now that one be enjoyment. Sister, beg anybody know the meaning of enjoyment to your own understanding. I beg, may you drop and put for comment section for me. And I know say I always carry my thing. They cannot imitate anybody. Now my own they do. Me, I be a Nigerian woman, a Benin City woman. When they live for Italy with 3 kids for Italy. I get picky for home, I get grandchildren too, but when I deal with for Italy, now 3 children they here with for Italy. You understand me? If people know they praise themselves, me, Rosemary, I come out, I they praise myself 24 hours, and my children they appreciate me for what I they do. So I praise myself for what God used me to do for my life. Not be money. They go look you where they build house. Your skin, it don't die. Your children body, it don't die. You understand me? Who want to follow you eat am tomorrow? You go just do and put for ground. Nobody will follow you eat am. So it's good. Take care of yourself very well. We go build house. Or where do you where if na fake be go na eke ayabowa. You understand? Not just the rush, especially we when we get children for here. Not just the rush. Now how we take move ahead for here? We'll go carry the ones who in Africa come join us here. Now we dey. Not be how we'll take get for carry the one we born for Europe, go throw away for Africa. When me mona be away boy I see me here property with Africa. A gbọ́ money aro won get yan neun yo hun yan to ta yan hun. You understand me? So please make yourself happy. That one a part of the enjoyment we dey talk of. You know me say, you know build house, you know buy flashy car. People these are carry picture. You can do it. You can do even though you not get. You see who park car along the roads. Even though you not beg and sell. You go over happy say you take a car carry a picture. It is this on Africa when you go near Big Mac. Hey! So go over arrest you because you near their car. So go arrest you. Yes, so I'm you one. Now most of the big men and big women be for Nigeria. For Africa. You understand? Europe not be like that. No big man, no big woman for Europe. Everybody is equal. As God take create Bible, they talk about Bible now, so Europe be. So make we try, make we they follow that kind love. And make we they love ourselves. More not they pretend. You when you go they pretend. No. If you love me, show unto me, say you love me. And don't talk to me you come my house, come love me. At least for back. Tell me say you still love me for back. Not be say you come my page or my house like this. The shade then I carry for this Oba market. You just come there now. Because they talk say you love me. For my back, you they kill me. You understand me? Another thing I like to tell most of us when they for this social media. If una they talk, make una first look whether una don't put her for life. Whether una don't first honor, make people they see before una they talk. And if una talk finish, make una try, make una rewind that on a video. Make una look whether una talk bad of person. If when you talk bad of person, quick delete am. No be say you come person like us say, hey, I love you, Ije, daddy, for your own shade when you go carry, you don't go scandalize that person. All eyes and us. Abeni ya zeboni, mayani rema na. Ao ya fefefe inyagi ma. So mona take care, mona dey take care. Anything mona dey do am well. You understand? Mona dey do am well. Mona no dey pretend dey follow people. Ijele o, erame o, brother o. Una go na shade now, go dey curse person for there. Now go dey curse person. Or some people go take matter, take ask una question, now begin dey palabule tinyate. Then she my mommy yore kai, you know, ya zele boge me zeme ye school inside the kakabonia. You understand this? So guys, one love always keep us together. Mona try to dey build love. Mona no dey build hatreds. Now hear me, love for Bible as they talk, as a Bible talk, it say love is greater than all those three things when God create. Now love na be the best. When you tell person say you love person, no dey pretend go on other side go dey kill the person. Wogu pe mana, wogu wonokpa, wogu wenokpa. Remember, all eyes are on you. You see the finger when I point give you, now I point give myself, because me say I dey see myself for here. You understand me? So more take care of ourselves, and more take care. This our maths, more know how to dey pin am. Some people they talk anyhow, and they don't know say they on social media down or camera down when people they hear, when people they see. Be very careful. The Bible say, be wise like a serpent and harmless like dove. Bible when they talk, you know, foolish. So I love you all. Wanna take care. I see they eat my gala. Gala too sweet. Although not sweet rush those days on, but at least the person in do still try. The fabric when we done, they still try. God will bless all of you now. I love you all. Ciao.